How to transfer video from Telegram to WhatsApp. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer videos from Telegram to your WhatsApp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the Telegram app and go to the video which you want to transfer to WhatsApp. So for example, if I want to transfer this video to WhatsApp, tap on these three dots of the video in the top right corner. Then here tap on share. Then here tap on WhatsApp. Then select the chat where you want to send the video or to transfer the video. Now tap on send. Now again tap on send. So this is how you can transfer video from Telegram to WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.